Ayan. Good afternoon everyone. Hi Death. Kahit medyo hindi kita gaanong nakikita sa pagla-live mo, pero nakita ko naman na nagpa-participate ka sa mga event dito. At unang-una sa lahat is happy birthday to you and God bless. Then stay pretty. Sana all laging pretty like me. Ayan o. Ayan, happy birthday, happy birthday. Wish ko gumanda pa ka lalo. Ay, yawa, day. Ang imong kanta day na trending day kay God tay happy ko maban. Ay, gikanta na ko. Don't touch my poki.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dad. Enjoy your day. Stay pretty. Sana lahat ng mga pangarap at wish mo matupad. Again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Dad, happy birthday sa'yo. God bless and more years to come. From Pineapple Team, as representative, Saimeng. Ingat!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dad. Hangad namin ang kaligayahan mo. Naway matupad mo ang mga wishes mo. Ingat kang lagi. God bless. Nanay ng Prampinya.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Hello po. I'm Luisa po from PK Pam at Family Monkey. Happy birthday, Ate Det. Sana po marami pa pong blessing mula kay God ang ipagkaloob po sa iyo. At sana po maging masaya ka po sa araw na ito. Mag-iingat ka po palagi at sana po makamit mo pa po ang mga pangarap mo po sa buhay. Thank you po. And again, happy birthday po sa inyo.
Hi, I'm Jenny ng bagong Monkey Team. Hello sa iyo, Sisi Det. Binabati nga pala kita ng happy birthday to you. Maligayang kaarawan, Sisi. Naway maligaya ka sa araw na ito. At wish ko kay God na sana'y bigyan ka pa ng long life. And sana'y ma-achieve mo rin ang lahat ng iyong pangarap sa buhay. At bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan. At syempre malayo sa anumang uri ng sakit. Enjoy mo lang sis ang iyong kaarawan today. Happy birthday to you. And God bless you. Together with your family. Lagi ding mag-iingat Sisi. And love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Wishing you all the best in life and more success. Especially here, this Bigo, being a CEO manager. Thank you so much for being kind and so down-to-earth people. Thank you, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Wishing you the best ever to your birthday. And bless you. Enjoy.
Hi, Det. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday sa'yo.
PK Det Zombie. Today is your birthday. So, happy birthday, bebe. Wish you all the best. Always. Good health. And God bless your family, Silver. And good luck sa mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Sana lahat magkaroon ng katuparan. Wishing you all the best wishes on your birthday. May you have many more. And mag-ingat ka palagi saan ka man mapadpad. Always pray lang tayo kay God. So hope your birthday is just as wonderful as you are. Happy birthday, and God bless you always. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Alandet.
Hi, Sister Det! Happy birthday to you, my sister and Wigo. Ayan. We are zombies, we are night shift, and I miss you. I wish more birthdays to come to you, good health and more blessings to come to you, and more jowa, Gerald. And happy birthday again. I love you, Mama Chup Chup. I miss you.
Happy birthday, 84 birthday, Det. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, kapatid. Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang healthy, sana lagi kang masaya sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sana maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Hi, Sisi Det. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, your special day. Stay pretty, stay sexy, and God bless you always. Love you.
Yo, happy birthday, Ate Jet. Naway, gabayan mo kami sa paglalakbay mo dito sa mundo. No? Mabuhay ka pa ng mahaba hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday!
Hello, my dear crush, Dad. Happy birthday to you, my dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, crush.
Happy birthday. Oh. God bless.
Hello, Det. Happy birthday. And sana enjoy mo yung special day mo, okay? And mag-iingat palagi. Love. God bless. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oy, Det, happy birthday. Yun nga, good health, enjoy your day, enjoy your love life ngayon. Basta more birthdays to come na darating. At be happy always. At mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Yo, happy birthday, Insan Det. More birthday to come. Yun, mag-ingat ka palagi, more kota, tsaka galingan mo lagi kumanta. Yun lang, God bless.
Happy birthday nga pala sa aking beshi sa Bigo at aking kaibigan na rin. Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. Sana may magandang blessings na dumating sa'yo nitong taon, and enjoy your days. Happy birthday.
More birthdays to come. Wishing you all the best and love. Oh, init. At sana hindi umano yung golden voice mo.
Happy birthday, Nak! Love you!
Det, happy birthday, Det. I wish you a happy birthday. Sana huwag ka na mag-voice changer. Nainis ako. Happy birthday sa'yo. Yung mga stolen picture mo tsaka screenshots, send ko na lang sa GC. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Det. Enjoy your day. Sana masaya ka. Kayong dalawa ni Kuya Kaijo, Eme. Good health. And sana manalo ka sa PK later.
Happy birthday, Patid! Mag-birthday ka hanggat gusto mo. Hindi pa ako naliligo. So, ayun na nga. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad. And, may jowa ka na ba? Kung wala pa, sana magka-jowa ka na. Kung meron man, mabuhay ka ng masaya kasama ang jowa mo. At, ayun, good health and long life, more birthdays to come. I love you. Mwah! Bye-bye!
Hey, good morning. I believe today is your birthday, so happy birthday, Miss Death, also known as Kamatayan. And for me, especially Love. So Love, gusto ko lang na masabi sa'yo na happy birthday sa'yo. And thank you, and I appreciate all the things that you've done for me currently, and hopefully you have many more birthdays to come. And other than that, I hope you enjoy today with the rest of the gang. So, kita-kits tayo mamaya. Ang hirap makachempo kasi currently naka-on call tayo, kaya I have to inilipat kita dito sa kabilang telepono para makarecord ako sandali habang tulog ka. So, yun. Anyways, thank you. Appreciate it. Much love. Love you. Bye-bye.
Aray ka. Ay, hindi ko man lang na-enter si tita talaga. Thank you so much, tita! Tawa na more. Oh, diba, tita?
Sorry na. Sabi ko nakakatakot naman
Meron
ito.
pugot na ulo.
Thank you lang. Sabi ko namumugos si ate, ayoko na lumaban. Nakakatakot.
Pugot na pugot yung ulo. Ulo lang dito.
Classmate siya. Thank you so much. Classmate, thank you.
Thank you.
Whoops! Wait lang. Kagigising lang ng tita mo. Sobrang busy lang kasi. So, nagulat ka ba? Kala mo wala akong video greet. Syempre, di pwedeng wala. Pamangkin kita eh. Love na love kita eh. So, ayun na nga. Sobrang busy ko. Dami kong kinontak. Ngayon ko lang natapos yung edit. Kagigising ko lang talaga, pamangkin. And sana na-surprise ka namin. Na-surprise kita. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yan. Simula nung nakilala kita, naging close tayo. At gusto kitang makasama at makita. Sana soon. And happy 32 seconds. Sabi nga kagabi, diba? Pero syempre hindi. Happy 32nd birthday. May pamangkin, may dandan, may death string. And I love you so much. Stay healthy tayong dalawa. Napakasakitin natin magtita. Okay? Love you. Mwah.